Hi friends, welcome back to our HTML learning series. In our last session, we explored HTML attributes and entities and learned how to enhance web pages with global attributes to make our content more dynamic and accessible. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: responsive web design or WD and mobile optimization. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Let's jump in. Coming to first point, what is responsive web design? Responsive web design or WD is a way of building websites so they work well and look good on any device, whether it's a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Since people use different devices to visit websites, it's important to make sure our pages adjust smoothly to any screen size. Why is our WD important? Makes the website easier to use, works well on all devices, helps the site rank better on Google. No need to create a separate mobile version. One of the most critical elements in responsive design is the Meta Viewport tag. Coming to second point, Meta Viewport for mobile support. Web pages are usually made for big screens like desktops. On smaller devices, text and images can look too tiny, making users zoom in to read, which can be annoying. The Meta Viewport tag fixes this by adjusting how a web page looks on mobile devices. Here's an example of the Meta Viewport tag. Meta name equal to viewport tells the browser how to control the page's size and scaling. Width equal to device width makes the page width match the screen size of the device. Initial scale equal to 1.0 sets the default zoom level to 100%, so the page isn't zoomed in or out when loaded. This helps websites look good and work well on all screen sizes, from desktops to mobile phones. Without this tag, mobile users might see a page that looks too small, text that's hard to read, and may need to scroll sideways to see everything. Advanced viewport settings. You can modify the viewport settings for different effects. Here's an example of the advanced viewport settings. Width equal to device width makes the web page fit the screen size of the device. Initial scale equal to 1 sets the page to load at a normal zoom level with not zoomed in or out. Maximum scale equal to 1 stops users from zooming in on the page. But this can be a problem for people who need to zoom in to read more easily. You can also set a minimum scale or disable user zooming, but remember that accessibility is key. Topics covered in this video. Responsive web design or WD ensures web pages work on all devices. The Meta Viewport tag adjusts page width and zoom for a better mobile experience. Using the correct viewport settings can enhance usability and improve SEO. Task for you: add the Meta Viewport tag to an existing HTML page. Test the page on your mobile phone and see how it adapts. Experiment with different viewport settings to understand their impact. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comments. Also, the code for this session is available on our Telegram channel. That's it for today's lesson on Meta Viewport for mobile support. Now you know how to make web pages fit perfectly on mobile devices. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.